Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance Package as well as the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, side view camera. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. Front view camera, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater with recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpeted interior, you got some storage, USB and USB-Cs, and you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get more, let me see if I can hook it, storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 24 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, park sensing you can turn on or off, traction, auto stop, auto start, trail control, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, cup holders, storage here, you got a nice little place for your phone with outlets, and your storage in the center console with a 12-volt. Got your climate controls here with dual climate up front, you got your hazards, storage below and above, and a nice powered rear window opener. We got a nice big infotainment system where you have your audio, where you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You also get Bluetooth, climate controls right here as well, heated front seats and steering wheel. We do get our apps such as navigation, Android Auto, media, Apple CarPlay, Sketch, towing, zone lighting. Got your vehicle information, so all your settings will be found in here. You got auto hold as well. 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, as well as your phone. So this is where you can easily connect your phone in there and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE01775, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.